the innovation doesn't stop there. Social rewards technology sits on a powerful cloud-based hosting platform that allows you to recruit unlimited affiliates, create unlimited viral online contests, and spread awareness of your free webinars across thousands of websites, including event calendars, social media groups, and media websites and related blogs. Powered by hybrid affiliate marketing technology, social rewards technology can transform guests into powerful sales agents who are rewarded to share your message. Together, both you and your guests can leverage social rewards-powered webinars to generate lifetime residual income, explain the mission of your organization, and showcase the utility of your products and services. You can engage supporters, drive greater awareness, and cultivate a community of dedicated advocates. Think of it as a two-for-one deal. You create and market great webinar content while also creating a network of passionate supporters who are eager to share your content with their own networks. It's time to learn more about social rewards-powered webinars. Click the link in the video description to take your webinar marketing efforts to the next level. Start registering more webinar guests with less effort forever.